Alright guys, so we are here right now at BGC for the Christmas tree lighting event. So, I'm gonna show you our setup. Alright, so we are here right now. This is our small setup. We're using now the Cinetric Mixer Plus HDMI. So, we have a 4-camera setup. So, it's very straightforward. See, it's a 4-channel setup with program out and then preview. The console is with a multi-view console. For example, we have a 4-camera. The red one is for the program and the preview is the green one. You push cut, you can change it from 1, 2, 3, 4-camera setup. Okay, so we have 4 input HDMI, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then this 2 output is program out and then auxiliary. Now you can interchange this to program out clean feed or multi-view as well as the auxiliary. The good thing with this, if you have a multi-view monitor, you can use it and then one program out clean feed to the LED wall or to the recording. So that's one good thing with this 4-channel mixer from Cinetric, the Mixer Plus. Then aside from that, this Mixer Plus also can control PTZ. As you can see on this toggle, this is for PTZ, this one. So it's just connection for IP. It's an IP connection here for your PTZ. So you can control PTZ aside from regular cameras or broadcast cameras using HDMI. So yeah, that's the Cinetric Mixer Plus. Very straightforward, very cute mixer, video mixer. I will post the actual price, market price of this one on the comment below. Alright.